Hey y'all. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time visiting, welcome. I'm Patrice. Please be sure to look at the other content on the channel, and if you enjoyed that content, please be sure to hit the like button and also hit the subscribe button. In addition, we have a Facebook group called Craftable Things, and we would love if you would come on Facebook and like us there. Some of you may also be interested in subscribing to my vlog channel. It is called Teach Craft Live, and on that channel I talk about teaching, I talk about crafting, and I talk about life. For my returning subscribers, welcome back, y'all. So I posted a video a few days ago on the Facebook group page with a picture of this wooden sign that I made for my guest room, and I want to show you all how I did this sign. So I ordered these wooden pieces off of Amazon.com. So I have subbed on to this one, but I did not sub on this, so this will be my first time trying to sub onto this wooden 8x8 panel. However, this piece of wood I subbed directly onto the wood. I did not use any laminate sheets. I did not use any polycrylic. I simply subbed directly onto this wooden panel. When I first tried it, I subbed at 400 degrees for 60 seconds, but this time I am going to sub for 400 degrees for 90 seconds. I'm going to give it a little more time just to see how it came out, but honestly, this was the one at 60 seconds and it came out great. So that's what we are going to do today, and I hope you all enjoy it. This was super easy to make. I will go through the design process as far as creating the template and then designing something. It's going to be quick, but something that we can press. Alright, so let's get started. Alright y'all, so now we're in Illustrator, and I am going to be printing from my Epson EcoTank 15000. That printer can print a 13 by 19 piece of paper, and that's what I need because the wooden circle is 12 inches. So I'm going to go ahead and place a circle inside of the document, and it is 12 inches wide and 12 inches high, so it's already set for me. Next I'm going to do is, this particular design is going to be super easy and quick. My friend wants a sign for her house, and it's very basic. She is going to finish the sign after I sub on it. She's going to add a ribbon, and she's going to add some fake leaves to it. But this is just the subbing part. So I'm going to select draw inside, and then I am going to place a rectangle inside of the circle because this will go with the design that she wants. And I am just going to move it up just a little bit. And she wants this to be black. And then I am going to put another line. I'm going to draw a line segment inside of the circle also. Alright, and so I'm going to thicken the stroke up. Alright, so I think I'm going to actually bring that line segment down a bit. Then I'm going to bring this down a little. And then next I'm going to put welcome. I just need to find the font that I'm going to use, and I'm going to change this to white for now. I need to see which font that I'm going to use. Alright y'all, so I'm done with designing the image. It was very basic and simple. I'm going to now just remove the outline of the circle because I don't want that to print. Alright, so if this was a more all over type of design, you would definitely be able to tell where the actual outline of the circle. So right here, we'll just have to make sure we match it in the correct location on the wooden circle because she wants to do something different with the top of that sign. So I'm going to print. I'm printing it again from the Eco Tank 15,000. And so I need to make sure I change it. And this is printing on Super B. That is the 13 by 19 paper. And then I'm going to go to setup. And on setup, I am going to select plain paper. For this particular print, I am printing with dynamic print. That's my ink. If you are interested in getting that ink, it is in my Etsy shop. And I will be printing onto, honestly speaking, sublimation paper. And for media type, I'm simply using the plain paper setting. And for quality, I'm going to use quality for print quality. Of course, make sure that you mirror your image. If you are not using an actual sublimation printer, you do need to mirror that image. And for advanced, I'm going to do Adobe RGB, and I will be printing at a 2.2 gamma. I will not be adjusting any of the colors. We are printing black, y'all. And that's it. I'm going to get ready to print, and I will see y'all at the press. Alright guys, so I'm done printing the images, and I also cut it out already. I will be pressing this with the Easy Press, and I will be placing this one under the heat press. It is a lot thinner. So what I want to do first is I am going to take our lint roller, and I am going to still give this a nice clean because I don't want anything on the surface. Okay, and then I will place this on top, and I just want to make sure it lines up correctly, so that may mean me adjusting it just a tad, but it looks like this is exactly where it's supposed to be. And so I am going to now tape it. So this is going to go under the heat press for 90 seconds at 400 degrees. And this will be with the Cricut mini press, or not mini press, with the Cricut Easy Press. Okay, and I just want to take this and rub it, because there were things on here. Alright y'all, and this is ready for the heat press. I just taped pretty much around the edges. Alright guys, so we're going to get ready to press this, and we are pressing this for 90 seconds at 400 degrees. And I'm going to make sure this is up a little bit more, because I want to make sure it has nice coverage. Alright guys, so let's see how it turned out. This was at 90 seconds. The other one I did the other day was at a little bit less. So look at our paper, and there is, most of that black is gone, and look at our image. It looks like it came out pretty good to me. Alright y'all, so now we're going to get ready to press the panel, and I don't know how this is going to go. I have not subbed onto this yet, so I don't even know if sublimation can take onto it. However, I will be pressing this for 90 seconds, and this is the Cricut Easy Press, the first one, so we can only go up to 360 degrees. Okay, so we will see how this subs. And I'm going to just apply a little bit of pressure. I am standing on a stool because I think this will need a little bit of help. So let's see what this looks like, and it looks good, guys. We were able to actually sub onto this. There is a lot of ink still left on the paper, so I think me subbing with the Cricut Easy Press 1 was probably not the best idea for this particular project, but it looks good. It came out really, really good, and I'm happy with it. Alright y'all, so that is it. We are done with subbing onto this wood that I got from Amazon, and I think it was a success. I made this for a friend, and she is going to put a ribbon on top with some leaves to go around, and I think it turned out really, really cute. It's really nice, and that black looks really good on this wood. I wanted to also show you the one that I did that had a little more color in it. You have to go with darker colors when pressing onto this unfinished wood. Remember, we did not use any laminate sheets. We did not use any polycrylic. We simply subbed on these, got it out of the box, and subbed onto them. So I think these came out really nice. The link will be below for these rounds if you are interested. Also, that 8x8 panel we subbed on, y'all, color got onto this panel really nicely. I think that if I had the 400 degree Cricut Easy Press, the one that's a little bit hotter, I think we probably would have gotten even a better outcome with this one, because it looks good. The only difference is of course it's not shiny like when you use the laminate. It does have this wood grain finish, but it looks good, and I can't wait to put this in my daughter's room. I do see here, like at the bottom, there was not enough pressure there at the bottom, but we were able to sub onto this wood that we got from Amazon. So I am also going to have the link to these 8x8 wooden panels below. And that's it, y'all. I actually have a few more wood items that I purchased from Michael's to test out, and I'm very, very hopeful because I've tried some of the wood pieces, the wood keychains from Art Minds, and I was able to sub on them. I first used polycrylic, and then I said, well, let me see if I can get ink onto this without using the polycrylic, and I was able to get nice colors onto it. So I will be posting a video about that very, very soon. But that's it. So if you all enjoyed this video, or if you were inspired, please be sure to like the video. Also, make sure to subscribe to my channel if you are not already a subscriber. We would love to have you as regulars here. In addition, head over to Facebook and like Craftable Things on Facebook. And y'all, don't forget about my vlogging channel, Teach Craft Live. I would love to have you there as well. Some of these shopping hauls that I feature onto this channel, on that channel I actually take you inside of the store with me as I search for items to craft, to sub, or craft with. So thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time.